कति पराउँछौ तिम्रो लागि कति कराउँछौ तिम्रो लागि लाई अंग्रेजीमा के भन्ने How did I teach for you only How did I cry for you only but you didn't understand यही त हो हामीहरु भलिबल खेल्दै छौं गुड तिमी कहाँबाट आयौ तिमी किन आयौ
Why did you come?
तिमी किन आयौ
Why did you come?
तिमी कसरी आयौ
How did you come?
तिमी कसरी आउँछौ
How do you come?
उ के गाउँछ
What does he say?
उ किन गाउँछ
Why does he say?
उले गाउँथ्यो
He used to sing.
उ नाच्थ्यो
He used to dance.
हामी खेल्थ्यौं
We used to play.
हामी खेल्नु पर्छ
We have to play.
हामी पढ्नु पर्छ
We have to read.
हामीले लेख्न सक्छौं
We can read. Okay, we can write.
हामी खेल्न सक्छौं
We can play.
मलाई भेटेर तिमीलाई कस्तो लाग्यो
How did you feel after meeting me?